Hello, Professor. My name is Vaibhav, and today me and my team are going to be working upon the user stories. I'll be acting up as the HL customer, and I want my team to introduce themselves, starting with Jashanjot.
Hello, Professor. My name is Jashanjot Kaur, and I am playing the role of a developer in this user role modeling, user story workshop.
Very nice. Next up is Abdul.
Uh, Hi, Professor. My name is Abdurrahman Hamid, and you can call me Hamid. And I'm playing as a developer as well, and helping with the agile customer if you need help.
Uh, Akashvi is next up.
Hey, Professor, I'm Akashvi, and today I'll be the developer in the workshop.
Next up is Saksham.
Hi, Professor. So I'm also playing role as the developer in here.
Last but not least, Mohammed is
Hello.
our group member.
Thanks. Hello, Professor. My name is Andrew Ponusam. I also act as a developer. I also support as a customer to conduct the workshop. Thank you.
Perfect. So now we are going to start our user story writing, in which first we have to discuss the ideas of the team and how we want to actually get this going. So we're gonna start with discussing about the, let's say, the homepage. So I want my team to give their insights as I am typing.
So, just before
Mhm.
we start, we came up with three of the user roles that we are going to
Mhm,
discuss, and I think we should start with doctors.
mhm. Perfect.
Yep.
So, I think at the homepage we need login and signing in options, and
Mhm.
it
Yeah.
also include like login using email and passwords.
Perfect. And
And you can underline whole page and make it bold, I guess. Yeah. So
So we can discuss the user story.
yeah.
Because as a user, as a doctor, they might want to sign in
Mhm,
before they access their dashboard, and we
mhm.
are using their credentials, their emails, and passwords.
So team, now we need to discuss, okay, what is happening after this?
yeah.
We were gonna open a dashboard page because the doctor log in to see their appointment and their schedule for the day.
Mhm.
So the
Yeah.
main summary of their week or day is gonna be on that page.
Okay.
So on the dashboard page, you're saying that they're gonna be able to see their summary for the day.
Yeah, the
Probably.
KPI, I guess. Or
Yeah,
did you say
exactly.
KPI
KPI,
or
KPI tiles.
KPI tiles and
date
Oh,
filtering maybe? Like
date,
today's
date, date returning of business.
And goals of the day, like what are the schedules they have, or maybe the treatments they need to do.
yeah,
yeah,
like the summary of the day.
yeah, summary.
Yeah, the summary goals.
Mhm. Perfect.
Uh,
And what can be the user story for this?
so as a doctor, I opened the dashboard page for what?
Yeah, you have to tell me.
Um, I'm sorry, I'm just making a line online.
Um,
Maybe as a
Um,
doctor, I want to open
I
my
want to.
see my dashboard to follow
and
up. So,
to follow up with the today's
so that
goals and the summary.
so that I can follow up with the my daily tasks, I guess.
That's pretty much it.
That should be good. Yeah.
Perfect.
Mm-hmm.
And
Do- Yeah, so can we do today's schedule as an option or maybe as a filter? Where
hmm
can the doctor can see the time, the list, or the rooms he have to manage at a particular day, or maybe the present day.
Yeah, we can do that. So you're saying that in today's schedule, they're able to see, okay, what operatories they are filling in,
Yeah, like
what
the list of the rooms or the maybe the time he need to give to each patient, or the maybe any appointments if we have.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's.
Anybody
Yeah.
else who want to add anything to it?
I
I
think it
No, I
looks good.
think that should
we
be
can just
okay.
write the user story now.
Okay, who wants to go first?
So can I go like this
Mm-hmm.
way?
Sure.
So as a doctor, I want to check uh, what's going on today, like what uh, rooms I need to check in, and how many schedules I have. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So that
Anybody
I
want?
can get prepared for the visit.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So what is
So
happening after this, team? Anybody wants to go in?
I said maybe go into the patient details after seeing the schedule. You can go to
Mm-hmm.
each patient details, and in the
Under
patient
which?
details, you can see their
Last
when they
visit,
visited. Yeah, when they visited last, maybe,
their
and
treatments
when they're
and
coming next.
right.
Yeah, next appointment.
Next
Yeah,
or like
next coming
next
next.
point?
Yeah, it's good. It's good. It looks good.
Okay.
And yeah,
Uh,
next coming next, and
what treatment they had?
Yes.
yeah, what treatment?
Okay. And if you have to write the user story for it, one person at a time, please.
Mm,
Who wants to go
uh,
first?
As a doctor, I would like to see my patient details, checking their last visit, next appointment, and treatments.
Yeah, so, so that I can make a good decision, I guess.
Yeah.
So that yeah,
Perfect.
yeah. So I think after seeing that's it for this one, right? Or
Yeah, I think that's
going
Mm,
pretty much
maybe
it
go in the
for
next
the.
branch after the
Mm-hmm.
dashboard. Maybe in the dashboard there's going to be another branch.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, maybe future treatments or something.
Mm-hmm. And what is happening here, team?
Uh,
Maybe the it is sort of a calendar, like where the doctor could actually see everything on one dashboard.
okay, I could say calendar, I guess. Like you said, the calendar.
Yeah,
Yeah, calendar.
Calendar and like what?
this calendar
Uh,
could be connected to the patient details. So if
Mm-hmm.
have
yeah.
specific person have a uh, appointment on that day, and they could double click on this calendar appointment and then get back to the patient details.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So as a doctor, I want to see what missing uh, like if I missed patient or something. I don't know how to say
Missing
it, but
opportunities.
maybe yeah, missing
Like
opportunities. Yeah.
the dates they could actually fix appointments to see their schedule.
No, but you're writing
For
the user story here, right?
like yeah, so as a doctor, I want to see my uh, schedule for like schedule details so that they can so that I can make appointments according to my availability.
Yeah. Okay. So that I can make yeah, that's good.
Perfect. So as a doctor, what missing opportunities are there, and what my schedule for what my schedule details are, so that I can make up the availability.
Maybe we could just connect those future treatment box to the patient details, and
Mm-hmm.
double clicking on the schedule of a specific patient would direct them to the patient details.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yes, we can do that. Okay, guys, are you guys happy with this, or there
Yeah.
is something else you want to add?
Can we add
Uh,
follow-up tasks?
follow
What
up task
tasks?
maybe. Follow up task.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
And that goes
between
from what branch you guys think?
future after future treatments
Mm-hmm.
can make another add another task.
Mm-hmm. Future tasks.
Follow-up, switch it to
Oh.
follow-up.
Follow up tasks. Under which, what do you think can happen?
Can use the status of the treatment.
Sorry, your voice is like
The
very.
status of the treatment.
Treatment.
The status.
Maybe we could just write
Any new
status
task?
and we'll be
Yeah.
You
good.
can also
New
add
task.
new task. Yeah.
New task. Yeah. For this one, as a doctor, I want to create maybe like write my today's notes on this. It's just going to be a page to write your notes, right? So that I can come back for it later.
Mhm. So as a doctor, I am able to write my today's notes.
Yeah. As a doctor, yeah. So that I can write my
Complete
today's
the
notes.
task records.
Yeah. Yeah.
Maybe we
and
could
then
connect it.
after- Yeah. What do you say?
Maybe we could, rather than connecting it to the future treatments, we could connect it to the today's schedule, because
Today's
we
schedule.
are
Yeah, okay. You could move
shuffling
it
it
to the
every
other
day.
side. Yeah, that's true.
Sweet.
And in the dashboard, you can say the whole matrix. We have a whole dashboard, right? So the whole charts and all that. So we just say a matrix.
Mhm. I think we can do that later, but let's just, if you guys are happy with this, we can move forward with the other user
Yeah.
stories as well.
Yeah,
I
sure.
think we are good.
Yeah. So we're gonna start with the clinic manager. Perfect, guys. So I'm looking into your coordination in here. So who wants to go first and discuss what's gonna come in for the first thing?
I think we should start with the dashboard itself. The manager should see the manager's dashboard.
Manager dashboard. Okay. And what is happening after this?
So in the dashboard, we have things like KPI tiles, filters, and possibly the trends.
Trends. And what was one more thing?
And the filter is like
Filters.
filtering everything.
Perfect. And what can be the user story for this?
As a manager, I would like to see clinic KPIs and trends.
So that I can
Mm-hmm.
see how my clinic performing.
Perfect. And how do you think it's going to be helpful?
So when you enter, like the first thing when you see on your website, when you see charts and all the KPIs, and you have filtering, like you can actually choose which, like what do you want to be on the view. It makes it easier for the manager to handle the website, right? Like to see what's happening in the clinic or like specific clinic.
Perfect.
Basically, instead of having a bunch of information, will be just summarized for easy understanding
Yeah.
and
Yeah,
access.
I agree. So what is happening after that? What will the manager see?
The KPI or like drop down menu or maybe like drop trails, you can say.
Okay.
And what things will be covered under it?
Like the numbers which are needed, as well as the numbers are coming from various files or maybe the aspects, and the action also where needed to be taken.
Numbers and like the actions which can be taken.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like the trends and the tables, stuff like that.
Mhm. So guys, what can be the user story for this?
As a manager, he would like to see. I would like to see a detailed summary
Elaborated
of the analytics. Yeah.
version of the
Please, one
analytics.
person at a time, please. That would be much appreciated. So Jashanjot, you were saying something. Kashvi, I'll come back to you as well.
No, I was
As a
just
manager,
completing her point.
I want to see a detailed dashboard for the analytics so that I can spot the issues quickly, like something like that.
Okay, that's good.
so that I can see what was
spot
this?
the like issues and spot the growing or decreasing trends.
Perfect. Akashu, you want to add something to it?
No, it's good.
Perfect. So I think like as a manager, like I would surely love to see what is actually happening and the different analytics, what is actually increasing and what is actually decreasing. Perfect, guys. What do you think will happen once the analytics are visible to the clinic manager? Where do you see him or her like seeing actually what is happening? Like what do you want them to decide?
Mm, I feel that's where kind of maybe you could filter it, like compare it to like previous weeks or something. So I
Mhm.
would say kind of, I don't know how to name. It's just
Like an
maybe
alert center or something.
Maybe it
not,
is more like
not
comparing
that
it.
much. Yeah. So
So
maybe chickens. I don't know. I don't know how to say it.
maybe we could
Someone have
first
a
list
word
the
for it?
things that we can do first and then name the box itself.
Mhm.
So it would
Mhm.
Sure.
basically be comparing and be able to see everything on like a timely basis. What do you guys think? What time?
So like in alerts, right?
It's not an alert base. It's
Yeah.
like a filtering base kind of thing. Because you have to filter weekly. Like you want to see what's the difference between week one in this month or week two in this month or a monthly base in a year or something like that.
Yeah.
So I would say
Mhm.
KPI filter or something
KPI
or
filters.
KPIs. Yeah, kind of. Yeah, I guess
That
KPI
is,
filters, yes, yeah, KPI filters.
that's you could say it as a title, I guess, or no,
oh, like as a box in itself, right?
as a yeah, maybe compare things, just put it under it. What do you guys think? I don't know. I'm still
Yeah, I
thinking
think
about
it
the
will be
word.
better. Yeah, that's very good.
Yeah, it is basically comparing. So we are adding filters,
Yeah,
Mhm.
enabling and disabling filters.
yeah, okay.
So enable and like disable different functions or different
Yeah,
filters, right?
yeah.
Perfect. And what do you think the clinic manager will be? What will be his experience? Basically, what will be his user story when he's on this page? Anybody from the team?
And as a
That will be
manager,
like
Okay. Yep. So as a manager,
I would like to see the KPIs. The KPIs comparing from the comparing with last week's or previous weeks.
so like I would like to see KPIs comparison of different
Uh,
timelines.
different timelines. Yeah, that's better.
Mhm.
Okay.
And if he's as a manager, I am seeing different timelines comparison. What will be I able to decide? Okay, what is happening?
It will help to understand the performance of the staffs. Uh, understand the
Which will
So that
help me to
Yeah, it's okay. We
see
can edit.
like what will it help me to see?
The progress and failures
pro-
of the clinic.
and
Then
maybe we could say we
uh,
are making charts differently. So we are basically able to make different charts according to different filters.
so like create different charts or reports
Yeah, and focusing on one thing at a time.
and help me to focus one thing at a time.
Yeah.
Somebody's mic is on, please. Turn that off, please. Thank you. Perfect. I think I'm happy with this. What do you guys think after the KPI filters the clinic manager would be able to see so that they can go on with the functioning?
The alert
maybe an
center.
alert, right?
I would say the alert center, you could enter it maybe through the dashboard, so we could move it up the dashboard.
I agree.
Yeah, it can be. Yeah.
Just give me this is
Sure.
so you can say the alert center is able to, okay, let's say.
Alert center.
Mm, okay. And what will I be able to see under the alert center so that like what is actually happening here, guys?
Review the alerts or assign
Assign
alerts.
them.
Review alerts.
Okay.
Assign.
So like assigning duties.
Mm,
Hmm.
Mm.
And what do you
maybe.
think else can happen, or
Can
you
we
guys are happy with
add
this?
the progress of like a downfall report or something like that?
With the status, yeah, that's good. You could see the
Yep, that's
status.
good. Okay.
Hmm.
Um,
So I'm
Maybe
just
we could
gonna
add
move a
status
little bit
as just
of
as
here.
Hamid said.
I'm just gonna move some stuff from here, guys. Just give me 1 second. Or I'm just gonna group it as it is.
Yeah, yeah, that's good.
Okay. So we can discuss it over here. Okay. What do you think is happening here, guys? What can be the user story?
As a manager, I would like to review and assign alerts so
So
that my team can respond immediately or take action.
Makes sense.
my team is able to
Uh,
Respond to it quickly or is effectively working.
So we could rather change the assign duties to assign alerts.
yeah, that's true.
yep, yeah, we can do that. Or would you like to replace the word with tickets? Like you cannot assign anybody an alert, right?
Yeah. SNT case is better, I think.
And I think Hamid added we could add the status in there if they already are
Respond or
familiar with it.
something.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just say status. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, so as a manager, I would like to review, like surely I would like to review what different alerts are, if something is happening very right or if something is happening very wrong, and I would like to assign it to different people who are responsible for it. Perfect. So if after the alert center, where does the clinic manager go? Like if I am the clinic manager, where would I go?
Hmm.
Just gonna it's being a little bit funny over here, but okay. What's gonna happen after this?
The
Maybe to the
goals.
goals or maybe the threshold, like
Uh,
reviewing
and
the.
After the KPI. So I feel like KPI is already we're done from the KPI pages. So
mhm,
everything is going to be from the dashboards for now. So starting from the dashboard or
okay.
from the
Yeah,
alert
yeah.
center.
Mhm.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna do it right
Yeah,
over here. I can
we could fix it
uh,
later. So
I can rearrange it later as well. So what is happening over here, guys?
Maybe reviewing the upcoming goals and the thresholds, like what's
Goals
going
and
to be what,
thresholds.
yeah, like
yeah.
what's the steps are going to be taken in future while we have the alerts.
Mhm. So like management of the alerts, if
Yes.
I'm correct.
Hmm.
Okay. And
Set
So since
goals.
it's a goal, so setting goals, I guess.
setting goals. What else, guys?
Mm,
If something is stopping me, like alert of the limits, maybe,
I guess.
or we can
Alert,
like
sorry,
limit
what
the
is?
like somebody's mic is on. Please turn it off. Thank you. Uh, so I'm just saying, like this is my perspective. You guys are surely the developers to guide me better. Like limiting things up, like surely if you are saying the word thresholds, that means you have a limit as well, right?
Hmm.
So
Mm,
how would you tackle that word?
Deadlines. Internal deadlines.
you can, I guess.
Uh,
Set deadline.
threshold is a word used for if you have a problem happening, like this is your limit and you cannot exceed it. So think, guys.
So like can we add, as you said, like alert limits or maybe limitations for the alerts.
Uh, I would just say goals in here rather than using the
Yeah,
word
sure. Yeah,
thresholds
we could remove the threshold, I guess.
because it is like quite misleading as well. Okay, so what's going to be the user story for the manager when he is on this goals screen?
As a manager, I want to set goals and make my expectations clear for the team.
Expectations clear for the team and how it will help me out.
Mm,
Maybe we could just change and to so that I can make my.
yeah, makes sense.
But still, how it's going to help? How it's going to be helpful?
So now if we
Also,
knew that we have the an
uh,
alert center where we can review alerts and assign alerts, we needed some place to make sure that the manager tells everyone what the alerts actually are and could actually set the expectations of what he requires for those alerts to be
Perfect.
marked check. Yeah.
I agree. So, like, as a manager, if I have my set goals, I can surely talk to each and every employee that, okay, this is my expectations from you. If things are happening in a good way for all of us, that would be great. Perfect. Where will the manager go after this? Once they have
so
made their expectations clear, what's happening next?
I was thinking since the goals is kind of an alert kind of thing, should we put it in the alert center, like inside the alert center? So we
Below
move
it,
the box, or what do you guys think?
Yeah, I agree because there could be something like alert center and KPI drills, and the goals could come underneath alert center or from alert center.
Yeah, okay. And
For now, I'm
I
just
guess
connecting the dot like this. Like,
yeah, that's
I
good.
can
We
surely
we can
rearrange.
fix it later. We can fix
Yeah.
it during the writing report. We fix all the
Okay. So,
modeling.
so
Mm,
after the alert center, your goals and expectations are clear. What's happening next?
so
there will
I
be
don't.
new data coming.
Okay, that's good too. Like a box for like maybe
A
inserting
data
the data,
center.
a page. Yeah, a data. Okay, yeah, that's good. A data
Like,
center, a
and
page to enter the data, right? Like writing the data or
mhm. Okay. So like uploading like reports or
uploading.
something,
That's
right?
true.
Mhm.
So through
So
a
do you want it to
CBS.
go through the dashboard?
That's
Yes.
yeah.
Okay. So I'm just gonna create a box in here. Okay. So like data center
Yeah.
where I am like uploading stuff.
Right. Uploading new data or updating the previous one.
Upload, update. Yeah.
Upload, update. What was the third thing?
Mm,
Reports.
I guess
Maybe we can add
connect.
a feature to export as well.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
yes.
Export.
So uploading, updating, and exporting.
Okay.
Right.
And what can be my user story as a manager, guys, in here?
Mm,
So
So
maybe so like as a manager, I want to upload or update the data and also
so
like
that I guess
yeah,
I
so
didn't
that
look at it.
we can clear up with sorry,
We could
I'm
say
not getting
so that okay, so that the dashboard becomes up to date, like all the data in the dashboard to
Mhm.
become up to date.
Yeah. Yes.
Is up to date. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I would surely love
Yeah.
to like keep my dashboard as updated as possible so that I'm actually getting the reality check. Perfect. I agree with you guys. So after the data center, is there anything left that the manager would love to do in here?
Mm, I feel it looks good. I don't know, but do you guys have anything to add up?
I think it's pretty much it because he's the one doing all the operational things. So I think we included most of it. And also,
Perfect.
most importantly, we have to make everything summed up, and we included those features.
Mhm.
Mhm.
Perfect. So now let's just move to another what can be the other user role? Like I have an idea,
we-
but I want you guys to say.
So we
The
chose the
staff.
clinic, I
clinic
guess. We
staff,
chose
Perfect.
the
clinic
clinic
staff.
staff.
Because without staff, any workplace is not possible.
Right.
Perfect. So what is going to happen for these guys?
They'll log in and then they'll also have a dashboard.
Yeah, so the login we already discussed it. It's like it's gonna be the same process
Mhm.
login for everyone. So we could just say from the front end dashboard or something.
Oh,
That's like
and what things will I be tackling in here?
The patient
Appointments.
appointments, the schedules.
Appointment schedule. Anything else, guys?
No show.
the tasks, I guess. I don't know.
Perfect. I agree with tasks. Sweet. And what can be the user story for the clinical staff?
As clinic staff, I want to access my front desk dashboard, so I can begin with my day or like work day.
And is it going to be different as of the clinic manager dashboard, or is it going to be same?
It is different. It's a
Different.
front end.
It
Yeah,
is
the
Like
dashboards
a
for
front.
everyone would be different after login.
Okay, so like different roles mean different dashboards, so they have different access to different things,
Right.
Yeah.
a different level of
Mm.
access. So as a
Yeah.
clinic staff, I would like to access my front end dashboard, and how it will help me
Hmm.
to like start my
So
work
so
quickly.
that so that I
Yes.
need to so that I know
What the
what to
day in a
tackle today,
clinic
I guess. Yeah, what to
would
tackle for
be
today.
like.
Yeah. What today will be like, I guess. Yeah. Or tackle.
Mm.
Today's task. Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. I agree with you. And once they're done with the dashboard and like log in their dashboard, what else they are gonna see? Like what is going to be their next thing?
So maybe
Appointment center.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Appointment center.
Appointment management or DENTARA.
Hmm. So appointment center, which is like very important, right?
Right.
Under which what things they will be able to see and work with.
The patients coming in today. The patients who didn't come in or check in.
Check-in, patient check-in.
Check-ins, yeah.
Patients, check-ins,
And cancellations or something.
Right.
Yeah, right.
cancellations. What else, guys?
Should be good.
And what can be the user story for this? So as a clinic staff, what will I do when I look at the screen?
I would
So
access to know what will be the like what is the list of the patients we have today and how many like there are how many no shows or cancellation.
So like what
So
is
we
the
just
patient
um,
list for the day?
yeah list for the day and how many cancellations or no shows are there so that we can reschedule with other patients or give the new appointments.
So that we can reschedule different
We
appointments.
yeah reschedule the different appointments.
so as an appointment center, it's gonna be because it's a lot of appointment. I feel like it's gonna be a lot of tasks. We could add notes during
Mhm,
the writing reports because we could say no, not here. But during the writing reports, we just say that
Yeah.
because you could edit the appointments, you could edit all that. So
mhm,
we could make it like a whole because it's an appointment center.
mhm.
Yeah.
Anyway, yeah.
So
The next one
so
we could go.
once they are done with the appointment thing, what are they gonna do?
Maybe
So since they're the front desk staff, and now if they know what is the appointments look like, if they could like send messages out to the patients themselves and also There's a feature like message and call them.
So
yeah,
like
usually messaging and
Message.
calling, and yeah.
Calling is loud, I think.
mhm. So under which what are they gonna do? I think it's pretty clear for the name what they're doing. So like call different patients, text different patients, like about their appointments or what is happening here.
We could make it like a page, and we could. I don't know if it's gonna be difficult, but we just make it a kind of a log, so we know what's happening with each patient or something.
Mhm. So like a call log or a message log so that we have a track.
Like what's happening with that patient, a specific patient.
I would just say like a logbook,
Yeah,
like a
log.
patient log.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Yeah.
And also now if they know they called or messaged, they should track the outcome of that
Outcome.
call.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
could write outcome. Yeah, track outcome.
Okay. And what can be the user story for the clinical staff who is using this?
As a staff member, I would like to see patient logs and have a follow-up list.
Maybe we could just improvise a bit rather than saying see the patient log. I want to log all the calls because he's the one
Right.
doing it in real time and time stamping it.
Log. Yeah.
Right.
So like I would like to log on to the calls and
Calls and
messages.
messages, so that
Mhm.
we have a track of what has been tried or something, what we tried or
No,
something.
yeah, like we have a track of the communication
Yeah. Okay. That's good.
history.
I would say the track of the communications is perfect rather
That's
than
good.
just
Yeah.
writing. Yeah,
Yeah,
That's true. Yeah.
perfect.
I
I agree with you guys. And once they are done like calling different patients and recording their communication and every track record, do you think what else they can do?
I feel that's good for the
Daily
appointment
wrap up.
center.
Mhm.
We could go to the dashboard and really see what we have to the dashboard.
Maybe they can do like wrap up or the end of the day, which
Yeah.
many
Oh,
do.
that's good. Yeah.
Yeah,
Daily wrap up.
Daily wrap
We
up.
could set
Mm.
it.
I'm just gonna do it on the top right now, so which I can fix it later. So like a daily wrap up where they are doing like what end of the day.
Summary of the day. Summary.
Mm-hmm.
and
Uh,
task
Or
review.
yeah, task review.
Okay, I think that's pretty much
Yeah,
it.
that's good. Yeah,
And I think one feature more like exporting the reports
that's good
because
too. 'Cause the manager can see
they're the
their.
front desk part and they have to tell everyone what's going on.
Mm-hmm. What can be the user story for these people?
Mm.
So like what will be my user story if I am a clinical staff?
As a staff member, I want to summarize my day activities or tasks.
Can we add like a number of the visits you have?
I would like to summarize my day activities and like
Number of the
No
visits.
shows. Yeah.
Yeah, sorry.
no shows so that so that I can hand it over to my immediate superior.
So that I can
Yeah.
complete my daily closure. Yeah.
Like my daily task list, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. So guys, I was just going through as we were just going through this. Do you think you want to change the user story for the appointment center? Is it like too long?
I feel it's vague too, because
Yeah. Maybe we could just split the tasks that we have in the appointment setter, and another window would help.
Okay, so what would you like to do in here?
So basically, we want so that the appointment list always stays accurate. I think we would
that's
be good
good.
after that.
Yeah.
So like I would like to
Well,
see what the patient list is for the day, and I would like to
edit.
so the
I would just
appointment list is up to the day.
yeah. So yeah,
Okay. And do you think that okay, once
So
this
instead of
appointment
saying
setter is
sorry,
done?
sorry to cut you off.
Mhm.
Instead of saying I would like to see what is the patient list for the day, just make it patient list for appointment patient list or something, because it's gonna be for the whole appointments, right? Not for only today, like future as well and all that. You
And
could do filtering later if or
mhm.
something we could add in the thing.
So are you
But yeah,
happy with as a clinic staff? I would like to see what is the patient list so that my appointment list is up to date.
yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. And after like you call and message where you are tracking your communication, do you think that
Oh
that
yeah,
should also
we
go?
should go back to the appointment center because all the
Mhm.
to edit like yeah like you get all the messages from the patient or whatever, then you could edit the
Mhm.
appointment center by canceled or you can cancel it and all that. Yeah.
Mhm. And
Uh,
if you're doing cancellations, should there be another screen that would help you out, or what is
yeah.
The
happening here?
one for the no-shows
Oh yeah.
Okay.
No show
And where do
recovery.
you
That's
think
good.
you can connect it?
to the appointment center,
I agree.
because
So like a no shows screen, I'll just write no shows for now.
Yeah.
so that we can have the
Uh,
rebooking or taking appropriate actions based on whatever they say.
okay.
Rebooking actions.
And
Uh,
also the escalation rules, because if they're having
Escalation.
constant no shows, something should be done.
Yeah.
uh,
And finally, we would like to have analytics, because tracking no show trends over time.
and analytics. Yeah, I agree with you guys. So what can be the user story for this?
Mm.
So, as a clinic staff, I would like to see what patients are not showing up to the clinic, and based on that, we can make further decisions or take further actions.
So as a clinic staff, I would like to see what patients didn't show up.
Right. So that appropriate actions can be taken according to their trend or analytics.
They're studying their says okay. Are you guys happy with this?
Yeah. That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
And maybe add another an appointment center like recalls or something.
Yeah, recall we can add.
Mhm. Okay, so like something else like recalls in terms of what?
Uh,
Mm,
like I would say overdue. Like you have an you're gonna have the all the patient list. Sorry, and you can have
Like
like overdue people. Like they haven't come in a while. Do the filtering. How long they've been out, so you can kind of have
like
contact
the
with them or something.
ones that need to book an appointment, but
Yeah,
they haven't shown up yet, so we contact them. Is it
yeah,
something like that?
kind of like this.
Mhm.
Yeah. So overdue people or something.
Yes.
Overdue
And
patients.
do you think
Yeah,
that would go back to your communication, calls and messages, so that these
Maybe
things are in
to
read?
clear this up,
We
it would be
could
like displaying patients needing recall based on their treatment history. So
yeah. So
that's after doing every analysis.
Mm-hmm. So how would you like determine what that particular thing is? What is actually happening in recall?
We are
So
filtering
like,
it
are
up,
you?
so it would be filter by priority, like sorting recall type based on urgency and yeah.
Or overdue.
urgency. Yeah. Overdue.
What else, guys?
Because it is for the clinic staff, so we should have alerts for the clinic staff saying system generates automatic alerts for recall reminders for staff to act on.
Mm-hmm. Perfect. I think that would be good for this. And what can be the user story for the clinic staff? Let's say I am a clinic staff, and what will I do on the recall screen? What will be my user story?
Mm. So as a clinic staff, I want to see patients overdue or like any urgent patient or age urgent patients.
Patients overdue for like recall, so
For
that you can
recalls,
like follow up.
for recalls, so that I can add them to the follow-up list, and you can call them later, I guess, or something. So basically, the recall page or something will be a list that has all the things. So you could say the whole box, make it a recall list or something.
Yeah,
Mhm.
we are actually tracking them here. We
Yeah,
are not actually doing any tasks from here.
yeah. So that I can
Recall
add them to
list
the
and
follow-up list. Yeah, that's good.
perfect. So I think uh
It should be good.
everything is pretty much clear what is happening here. So like appointment center is the godfather in here after the front dashboard, and
Yeah.
everything is pretty much interlinked. So like no shows if how we are communicating with them, what will be the actions of like the recalls we do, and
So
we are going
do you
to do
wanna?
a daily wrap up.
Sorry about that. In the dashboard front end, do you want to add like the schedule, like scheduling means when you said schedule, do you mean
Mhm.
by patient schedule appointment or like staff schedule? Like
Yeah, we
my
can do
schedule
both
as a
because
staff.
like every person should be able to see like what shifts they are working, right?
Yeah, I see. Yeah.
So
So
schedule, we would say patient and
we
what
have an
else?
appointment on top. It says
Mhm.
appointments, so it's okay. We don't need add. We could add another box saying uh, scheduling list or something, or scheduling calendar or something
That would go from the front end dashboard
from the front
because
end. Yeah, because the front end has a yeah.
okay,
We could add in left. Yeah.
we can just simply name it as schedule.
Schedules.
Schedules. Yeah.
Mhm. And where like I as a clinic staff member, what will I be able to see? Like my schedule for the week?
Yeah. As a member, I mean, as a clinic staff, I want to see my monthly maybe schedule or weekly schedule, so that uh, I can show up for my shift. I guess. What do you guys think?
Like I can request for like holidays or vacation or
Holidays, yeah.
something.
So that I can
I
manage
can plan my whole
my
time.
life. So that
Mhm.
I can manage my life. Yeah, it looks good.
Update my accessibility,
Yeah,
like whatever
that's
time
good too.
I'm available.
So
Availability,
that
maybe. Yeah.
I
Oh, sorry,
can
availability. My bad.
Yeah, so I can. That's good. Yeah.
see my schedule. I can update my availability. I think that would be pretty much clear what we are doing under the schedule.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's good.
Yes.
We can and the same thing in the sorry front end desk, like the sorry front end the dashboard. We could add the so we said, oh yeah, add the scheduling tasks. So because I need to see my task for today, right? So we need a page
Mhm.
for that.
Mhm.
So like because the manager is sending alerts and all that, so it's not in I'm not gonna see it in the appointment. I have to have something. Yeah. We could name it
Okay, so I'm out of shapes, it seems.
shapes. Just write. Uh,
Maybe we could just discuss it and add it later on.
yeah.
Mhm.
Just add the writing, like put a text box without a shape. Just put a text
I
box.
can't. My
Oh yeah.
bad.
All right.
Yep.
We could just discuss it uh,
Mhm.
as a. So when I say a task list, we should say
Mhm.
the task list box, and inside it we can have the
So I would write it as a note in here so that we remember it.
That would be good.
that's it.
So add a task list reminder or something.
It's a box, so it's gonna be a page, a task list. It has all the my daily tasks, my daily messages from the manager because we have a manager, right? It has an
So
alert center, so
the goals that the manager was posting is
true.
gonna be in
Yeah.
this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
that's true.
So daily messages by my manager giving different goals, alerts.
And the user story for it will be as a clinic staff. I want to see my daily tasks so that I can tackle them same, I guess, or my daily tasks so can as a my daily task so that I don't know what so that
I have a
schedule or yeah
So
sorry
that I
say
specific.
can.
I can focus on specific things at specific time.
Yeah.
Mhm. Can they update the pending tasks too? Like if they didn't do anything, they can
Yeah.
just leave it in the pending box so the other person can do it?
So you could say
Update the
as a clinic
status.
staff I can look at my general task or something instead of daily, so it's like general all tasks
And
in
update
general.
the status. Yeah, I agree with
Yeah.
Fab here.
Another task so that I can focus on things and update the
Status.
Status.
So we just made a note for this because unfortunately my lucid chart is free and I was not able to add a box in here, but we can surely tackle that problem later on, right?
Yeah,
Right.
during the whole
Yeah,
writing
so just
reports too.
made a note. I would like to let me see if I can highlight it or no.
Mm.
No, never mind. Like
All right, all right. I think that's good.
we'll tackle this later on.
Yeah.
So I think that is
Right.
pretty much it about
Yeah.
the clinic stuff, the clinic manager, and our beloved doctors or the associates. Is there anything
Thank you,
else?
guys. No, thank you, guys.
Yeah, I think that's
Perfect.
pretty good.
Thank you so much,
Yeah,
guys.
you can. Yeah,
Thank
thank you.
you.
You
Thank you
can
so
stop the
much.
Thank
recording.
you.